Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through on how to resolve no boot device found issue with an error code 3F0. Now, let's dive into the steps to fix this problem. But first, what does error 3F0 mean? It indicates that your computer is struggling to locate a bootable device, like the operating system on your hard drive. Without that, your computer can't boot into Windows. Don't worry, I will show you 2 ways to fix the problem. Method 1. Check hardware connections. Ensure all hardware connections are secure. Open the back of your computer. Confirm the hard disk drive and other storage devices are properly connected. A loose connection due to laptop movement can trigger error 3F0. If you are using an external drive, check USB or power cables. After reconnecting, power on the laptop to check if the problem is resolved. If not, proceed to the second method. Method 2. BIOS misconfigurations. Misconfigurations in the BIOS and boot order can cause the issue. To fix this, enter the BIOS environment. For HP laptops, press F10. Navigate to System Configuration using arrow keys. Scroll down to Boot Options, and press Enter. Select Legacy Support and press Enter. Select Enable and press Enter. It confirm changes by selecting Yes. If yours is already enabled, disable it. After that, press Escape to exit the page. Select Exit and save changes, and reboot. Confirm changes with a 4-digit number if prompted. Your PC should now boot into Windows. That's a quick guide on fixing error 3F0 on your HP computer. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more content.